Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay. I'm powered by Magic Needles. This day I'm here with to show how to work the Bullion Stitch. Let's learn Bullion Stitch together. Now for that I've already made a chain. I made two DCs over here to begin with the row just for a sampler, and I've made one Bullion Stitch here. Let me chain two to go over to the next. Let me chain one, that is enough. I'll make a double crochet in the next two stitches, one, and in the next also one double crochet. Now let us work the Bullion Stitch. This Bullion Stitch is something like a French knot that we do in our embroidery. So to make the Bullion Stitch, wrap the hook 7 to 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now insert the hook in the stitch designated. Hold the loop, pull up a loop here, and now you have to pull up the loop through all the loops on the hook, and sometimes you need to pull it you need to take over and put it over the loop on the hook one by one. This happens when you make too many loops. And pull through the last also, and to secure it, make a chain. So this is how the Bullion Stitch is made. So let's make one more Bullion Stitch. Before that, let me make 2 double crochets. This also gives a nice texture to the patterns that we make. Now for the Bullion Stitch, wrap over 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Insert the hook into the stitch designated, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. You'll have to do it manually sometimes. You need to do it manually, one at a time, so that you don't miss out on any of the loops. Otherwise it will create a gap. Hold and pull through the last loop, so the Bullion Stitch is made, and secure it with a chain. Hope you like this short video, friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon. If you really like it, do hit on the like button too. Bye for now. Have a great day.